Welcome. Starting with very basic and important question. What are key steps in production planning in pharmaceutical industry? Demand forecasting, master production scheduling that is MPS, capacity planning, material requirements planning, resource allocation, production scheduling, inventory and warehouse control, monitoring and control and continuous improvement are the key steps in production planning in pharmaceutical industry. Why is inventory control important in pharmaceuticals? Inventory control ensures the right quantities of materials are available, minimizes waste, prevents stockouts or overstocks, and maintains regulatory compliance. What is production planning in pharmaceutical industry? Production planning in pharmaceuticals is not just about efficiency, it is about balancing demand, compliance, quality, and patient safety. What are key objectives of production planning in pharma company? Ensure continuous supply of medicines as per market and patient needs. Optimize resource utilization that is man, machine, material and method. Maintain regulatory compliance like from US FDA, EMA, WHO and GMP. Reduce production cost while ensuring product quality. Align production with demand forecast to avoid stockouts or overproduction. Maintain validated processes and batch traceability. How do you forecast demand in the pharmaceutical industry? Demand is forecasted using historical data, market trends, collaboration with sales team, and advanced statistical or machine learning models. What is just in time or JIT inventory management? JIT means supplies are ordered and received only when needed for manufacturing, reducing inventory cost and waste. What are key challenges in pharmaceutical production planning? Key challenges in pharmaceutical production planning are complex supply chains, regulatory compliance, production delays, and adapting to market changes. How is a production schedule created? The process involves setting production goals, estimating time, assigning resources, coordinating departments, and ensuring alignment with demand forecasts. What tools and systems used for production planning in pharmaceutical industry? ERP, MES, APS, and LIMS are the systems that are used for production planning in pharmaceutical industry. How does the concept of shelf life impact inventory planning for APIs? APIs and many biologics are perishable. Planning must follow a strict first expiry, first out principle to avoid waste, which complicates inventory management and adds constraints to the production schedule. What is the primary goal of the sales and operations planning process? The primary goal is to align all departments like commercial, finance, supply chain, and production on a single unified operational plan that balances forecasted demand with production capabilities and inventory targets. Why is lead time for raw materials, especially APIs, a major planning challenge? Sourcing qualified materials from validated suppliers involves long and often unpredictable lead times due to complex synthesis, rigorous quality testing, and potential import or regulatory delays requiring advanced procurement planning. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to channel for more informative videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.